Hey all you cool cats and kittens, Dr. Smith, physical therapist here, and today I'm going to be unboxing this Oculus Go that I'm using for some virtual reality telehealth. This is brought to you by COVID-19 and Bang Energy. No, but seriously, I'm going to be unboxing this. I'm using this with patients and I'll show you what you get with the Oculus Go, and I'll make some videos later on telehealth and the platform I use this with, as well as other platforms. So thank you for watching, and let's get right to the unboxing part. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is open it carefully. I'll just slide some scissors along here. Try to get that seal broken without ruining the box. There we go. So we can see it's fresh out of the package. All the features here, there, the back, the bottom, and what you're getting in the box: the VR headset, the controller, the power adapter, the battery, and the eyeglass spacer. So now that we have that, sorry for any interruption there. I just somebody called me as I was trying to film this. It's supposed to be a do not disturb, but you know how that goes. Nobody calls me, I start filming videos, people start fucking up my videos. But anyway, I'm gonna open this part here. We can see we just got that black cushion in there. We have the controller here. There's a nice space for it. And here we have the power adapter, eyeglass spacer, batteries. See a battery here. A cable for charging, connecting. The battery here, the plug. Eyeglass spacer, as I said. The controller. The headset. So let me put that in view. All right. So this stuff didn't come in the box, obviously. So what we have is we have the headset here. We have the controller here. We're missing the lanyard. Where's the lanyard at? Ah, here's the lanyard. So we have the lanyard. The eyeglass spacer is stated multiple times now. The charging cable, the AA battery, and the lens cloth, which I believe is in here. So here's the lens cloth. All right, so we have the remote, and we have the lanyard and the battery. So one way to set this up, we have this set here, which is perfect. Got a little knot there. What we're gonna do is we're gonna slide this off. You're gonna put the battery right in there. The lanyard. All right, so you got it hooked in there. Once it's hooked in there, you're gonna take this part, push it. So we have it through there. Let's go back on, and we close it. That's how you set up this part. All right, and then what we'll do is we'll go ahead and we'll get this part set up. So we'll fix the charging cable. We'll plug this part into here so it can charge. And you'll see there's a little charging port right here. So this is gonna go charge for a bit. And that's basically the unboxing of it. Because I'm using my phone to film this, I'll try to film the rest of it. If I don't though, hopefully you enjoyed the unboxing video, and stay tuned for the telehealth videos. Thank you. Note that when it's plugged in, that light comes on indicating that it's charging. So that's it for the unboxing. That's everything that you get. I'm gonna go turn this on, and then we will go ahead and make another video once it's updated so I can make it a little bit smoother. Thank you for watching.